Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by selecting the exact cells you want shaded. Click and drag for contiguous ranges, or use Ctrl or CMD for multiple selections. Once done, inspect those cells for merges or existing direct fills and clear them if needed to avoid conflicts. Make sure to note any conditional formatting that might override fills and choose your color approach: a single solid color, a subtle gradient, or alternating banding for readability. This sets you up to apply fills cleanly and predictably. You now apply the fill from the toolbar or the format menu. Click the paint bucket icon to expose the color picker. Once visible, pick a theme swatch for consistent branding or enter a custom hex or RGB value if you need an exact shade. After applying the fill to the selected cells, make sure to use the Paint Format tool or copy and paste the cell with the chosen fill to replicate it across other areas quickly. If alternating rows, use banding options or apply fills and patterns. You finish by verifying the shading displays correctly. Check for conditional formatting that could override your fills and either remove or reorder rules so the manual fill takes precedence. If fills don't appear, clear formats from the affected cells and reapply the color, and confirm the sheet isn't protected against edits. Make sure text contrast remains accessible. Tweak color lightness if needed for readability. Finally, test print or export to PDF to ensure the cell shading persists in the final output. That's your safeguard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.